Hey folks, this is just a quick video to go over the links to all of the different programs and strategies that we deploy here in our trading program. It can be a little confusing and there's a lot of different links. So I just wanted to touch on each and every program that we have so that you're up to date. The first one, the main one, the premier one is our live trading room. It is an online trading community of 300 or 400 members that actively trade the same strategies and setups every single week with a predetermined playbook, a strategy setup, back-tested and verified trading approaches that we know over time gives us a positive expectancy, which is what traders are looking for. We do say all the time, I don't know how you verify this, but we do say it all the time, this is the number one highest value trading community online today. And the reason that we say that is because number one, well, two things. Number one, it is built by our members for our members. Our trading community, you as a member of this program, input what you want to see and have happen in the trading community. This program has evolved and changed, and it continues to evolve week in, week out, based on what our members are looking for, desire, need, and want out of a trading program. So it has to be the best program out there because it's built around what you guys are looking for. You guys are the ones that build the program. It's not reverse engineered. I don't come in here and say this is what you should have as a trader. So we believe, number one, from that standpoint, that it's the highest value oriented trading room online today. But number two, I think that our results speak for themselves, and we document our results. We timestamp every trade, and you can see we try to put out a weekly video every single week of those results. Again, that's all verifiable for you. You can jump in the trading room. You never wonder, are those results real or not? So this is our primary focus. It's our live trading room, and that's where most of our traders come and trade with us. However, not everybody can trade. Not everybody has the ability to sit in front of a computer all day long, and not everybody wants to trade. Some people are more interested in a longer-term passive wealth creation system. Investing, right? Huge difference between investing and trading. Well, we have a system that I think has now had enough years under its belt that we can definitively say it's amazing. I know that sounds braggadocious and prideful, but it has been absolutely phenomenal. It's a passive asset allocation model. Takes 5 minutes a day to allocate your capital in there, and then you're done for the day. So it doesn't take any time. Anybody can do this. There is not a person that says, I just don't have time to trade. Well, here you go. This takes 5 minutes a day, and then you're done. It's asset allocation. Every day we alter 2 to 10 or so of our positions, adjust them a little bit. For the last 3 years, we've had a market that has been an incredibly bullish year, incredibly bearish year, and then a little bit of a schizophrenic year this year. Off to the races at the start of this year, coming back down, retracing now this month. All 3 of those years, we have trounced the market. We have absolutely just crushed the market returns, and we've done it at less volatility. Now, I will say this year, 2023, we've had a little bit more volatility because we've had some positions that have been tough to work, but nevertheless, still beating the market return. I don't think you're going to find a passive investing program out there that beats both of our mandates in this program, which is number one, beat the S&P year in and year out, and number two, do it at less volatility, less statistical risk. Okay. So if you're more interested in investing, that's the ATM program. You can go in there and try it for free. You can set up a Zoom with me. I'll walk you through how to set up all of the asset allocations. Trading binary ideas. This is so fun, and we have so much fun with this in the trading room. Maybe you don't want to get into the live trading room and focus on all of the different trades that we do, but you do want to have some fun trading, and you want to do it with an edge. TradingBinaryIdeas.com. It's a great way to do this. We trade these every single week, usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And there's all kinds of what are called event contracts or binary trades. Real simple trades. Will the market finish today above or below a certain level? Will it finish inside or outside of a particular bracket? The Fed is reporting interest rates today. Are they going to raise rates or not? So they're binary in trades. They either work or they don't. These trades have the ability to create a ton of what we as traders call edge. There's never any guarantees in trading, right? Casinos are not guaranteed to make money. They're in the gambling business, for heaven's sake, but yet they seem to consistently make money. And the reason is because they have an edge. Their games win for them 51.3% of the time to 53.5% of the time. They know over time more money comes in than goes out, right? That's an edge. There's a great opportunity here with trading binary ideas to create an edge in your trading. We have a couple of trades on right now. For example, will the Federal Reserve print $1 trillion coin? That sort of idea has been floated for years. The Fed has said over and over again they never will. But yet there are people that think it might happen. Now, the Fed's literally said they're not going to do it. If you wanted a trade that is as close to a guarantee as possible, that's probably it, right? We just traded interest rates. Was the Fed going to finish out interest rates at a certain level? They'd already told us basically what they were doing. So these are trades that are really cool. Check those out. I think you'll have fun with those, even if you're not in our live trading room. Scalping. We have so much fun scalping. And, Thursday of this last week was a tough week for us inside of our live trading room. And there seems to be this, sort of opposite effect of when we have a tough time in our trading room, we have a great time in our scalping program, because that usually means that markets are moving. And that's all you want as a scalper, right? We scalp about $2,500. That's the amount of capital that we use. We scalp every Tuesday and Thursday in a live trading session. It's broadcast via a live Zoom feed. You can see my trades in live real time. And this past Tuesday, this past Thursday, fairly average days. Made about $175 on Tuesday, made over $1,000 on Thursday. We shoot for $500+ a day. If we do ever hit $1,000 in a day, we stop. We're done for the day. And this is a program, again, there's never any guarantees in trading. I hope you understand that. This is a program that we have tracked for a long time. We trade the options. We day trade options on the Qs, the QQQs. And we have had a very high consistency rate, very high positive expectancy in terms of profits versus losses. And there's a realistic opportunity there every day to make over $500 a day. Again, it's up to us as traders to capitalize on the opportunities, but the opportunity is there. Again, no guarantees, but scalping has been wonderful. If you're just interested in that, you can go to tryscalpingnow.com and check that out. Now, a little thing in addition to scalping that I recommend any trader that is serious about trading is to get into a prop trading opportunity, go through their evaluation process and training program, because it will benefit you for all of your other trading. A lot of people say, I don't want to scalp. I don't want to do a prop trading firm, this and that. That's fine. You don't have to do this long term, but I would highly, highly recommend that every single solitary trader, bar none, that is serious about trading, do prop trading, at least for a while, because it takes everything that we need to learn and understand and know to be successful in any form of trading, and it magnifies it and accentuates it. When you're day trading, it just brings everything in terms of like risk management and cutting losses quickly and focusing on consistency over profits. Prop firms don't really care about what you make. They could care less what your profits are. They just want to see consistent results. All of those attributes get magnified and amplified in a day trading situation, and then they help you in your other trades. So if you're not familiar with prop trading is simply where another firm puts up the money for you to trade, and they will keep part of your profits. You keep the remaining part of the profits. They take the risk. Okay, so you do have to go through an evaluation process to qualify to get their money, but that evaluation process is really, to me, what is invaluable. That learning process is such a cool training program. So we use a company called Apex, and it's fantastic. It's one of the best programs I've seen out there. They let you keep 90% of the profits. They take 10% of the profits. You can get $250,000 of their money to trade if you can show that you are consistent in your results and good at risk management. And aren't those the two key things that we hope and want for any trading program? So I would highly recommend that you check that out and that you get a prop trading account set up, go through their evaluation process. We have a lot of people out there. You know, I've got like 22,000 or some odd numbers of subscribers on the YouTube channel. About 15 or 16,000 people follow me on Twitter. There's not a day that goes by that someone doesn't ask me a question about trading. And I love the interaction, and I love talking with traders, but I need to get to the point where I'm cutting that volume down. I cannot respond to 20 people a day via my Twitter feed. I just don't have the time, because it takes away from my trading members who have unferreted access to me 24/7. If you're in our live trading room, you can obviously talk to me all day long, every day, 7 days a week. So I need to make that a priority. So I do have a program that I put together. It's called askyourtradingquestions.com. You can go there if you're not in any of our programs. Okay, I want to stress that. If you're in our programs, of course, you can ask me a question. You can DM me a question anytime. I just answered 3 right now while I was getting ready to make this video. So if you're in the programs that we have, you're fine. You have access to me at any time. But if for whatever reason you're just not ready to take the step to get into a trading program or system, but you do want to interact with a full-time trader and ask questions and develop some skill sets, you can go here for $3. You can interact with me and we can have a conversation. $3 is not going to make me any wealthier. $3 is not going to hurt you at all, but it's enough that you will only talk to serious people. I'm hoping that I can cut the volume down by 90%, but the 10% that I do get are serious traders, and we can have really deep conversations. So if you're not in the programs, you can check that out. It's always a way to get an answer to your trading questions. Also, if you want to get in touch with me, you can go to scottstewartcontacts.com, whether it's the live trading room, Messenger, YouTube, Facebook, email, Instagram, Zooms, or Twitter. There's all my contact information for you there. That's an easy way to get a hold of me as well. So those are the main areas, guys, that we have available to you. Again, I appreciate all you guys. Let me know if you have any questions on any of those programs.